Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is day 180 of this mileage and secret challenge. We've finally made it to month number 6, which is we're halfway through this challenge. I'm just back with another video, guys, to show you guys what we're doing. And if you guys have no idea, we are shooting a 1-year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. So if you guys would like, you can go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, where we started, and kind of where we are right now, right? So let's go ahead and get right into this video. I'm heading over here to My Legion Secret. If you guys have no idea what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. So you can literally sign up for one account underneath, somebody's account. And then what you would do is you're going to have access to a back office that's going to look exactly like this. And what you would do is you would take your own affiliate link and you would sign up underneath your own affiliate link. Okay. And you would just keep doing that and doing that to stack your accounts. All right. And that's how you get multiple accounts. Now, if you go back and watch my previous videos, I kind of show you guys step-by-step instructions on how to do that. Or if you just want to comment below, if you have questions on how to do it, I'll show you guys how to do it, okay? Or send you a video to showing you how to do it. So just a little bit about myself with My Legion Secret. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. These leads are real. Okay. The only thing about this traffic, guys, that this is cold traffic. So these leads have to get warmed up to your offer first in order for them to start, signing up, subscribing, and then eventually purchasing from you. Okay. My 8 accounts, guys, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails for today. I like sending out my emails late at night. You don't have to send your emails at night. You can do it in the morning, afternoon, however you want. I just like sending out my emails at night. It just works best for me. Okay. And just also, it's very easy to send out emails in this system. I'm just going to show you guys around the back office. Like I said, once you sign up, your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different, guys, is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit different from what you're sending out. Okay, but technically, everything else is going to be the same. Okay, so there's going to be 2 popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is going to be using the My Legion Secret system itself. You can literally create an email for the My Legion Secret and then use your affiliate link in the email. You can send that out to your traffic and you can get sales and subscribers from that. Okay. So you can literally just come in here and promote My Legion Secret as a company and you will earn money doing that. They also have some pre-written emails in this affiliates tab and go to promo tools. You can come down here. They have, a few, about 10 different emails that you guys can use. So you can literally just grab one of these emails, click on import. And what it's going to do is then import that email for you in the mailing system. Just click on select all for your leads so all of those can go over, get ready to load up for you so you can send all of those out. Okay. Already you're going to have a subject line that's ready to go and then also a body of text. Okay. So you can literally just promote this offer here. Your link is going to be down at the very bottom. You can literally take this link and it's already plugged in for you. And once your prospect sees this link, they're going to click on it. It's going to take them over to the My Legion Secret landing page. And the landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So you just click on perfect timing and then come down here and click send. Now, you're not going to be able to click send now because I've already sent out my email. So you're not going to be able to see these buttons down at the bottom. You can send out one email every 24 hours. That's the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to send out an email every single day. You can literally come in here and get in front of people every single day. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Next is that's going to be one way to make money with the system. The other way is using an affiliate network, okay, to use offers from to use this traffic. Okay, so they got places like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, places like that. You can literally sign up for free for those at those locations and create your accounts, and you can use their business opportunity offers. Okay, now for this challenge, we are using a place called ClickBank. ClickBank's been around for a long time. I've been with ClickBank over a century. I've been making money with ClickBank for a long time, guys. So I can tell you that place does work. I would recommend you going there first. If not, you can go to Warrior Plus. It's just as good. Okay, or JVZoo, you can use some of those offers. Now, I've used all of those networks and made money with all of them, so I can tell you that they all work. Okay, just in my opinion, ClickBank, the offers on ClickBank do respond very well to this mileage and secret traffic. So I have been using ClickBank for a few years with this system, so I can tell you that it does work. All right. So that's going to be the two ways to make money is by using that network, or like I said, promoting the mailing system itself. Okay. Now there's going to be three ways to send out an email. You can literally come in here and create an email. Okay, from scratch. Use your affiliate link from whatever offer that you're promoting. Send that email out, package that up with your affiliate link, send that out. You can drive traffic that way. Or you can use a email AI service or and let's see, Chat GPT or something like that. Literally just ask it to create you an email based on the offer that you're promoting. It will give you a really good email to use. Okay. Now that's the second way. Third way is going to be using the free pre-written email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. Now, that's what I would recommend first, guys. In ClickBank, in the e-business e-marketing section, they do have about four different offers that I would recommend you guys promoting. I've promoted all four and they all work. Okay. So you guys can just literally pick one of those offers. And those offers, if you go into the affiliate section, there's going to be about 20 different email swipes that you guys can use. Okay. They're free to use. They're there on purpose. Okay. They're there for you to use because they work. Okay. So I recommend using those email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. Because they're tailored to the offer. They are about the offer that you're promoting. And then also the affiliate link is tailored to the email, which is it's all congruent, guys, and it works really good. Okay. So go to clickbank.com, sign up. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Use one of those offers, and you can start copying and pasting the emails over from the vendor. And you can use those emails to go out. Okay. Now, one of those emails will look something like this. It's going to have a subject line for you. Also, it's going to have a body of text. And then it's going to have a clickable link down at the bottom. And all you got to do is get your prospects to click on this link, and then it takes them to your affiliate page for whatever offer you're promoting. And then that page, that affiliate page, is going to do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to do anything else. Okay. Just keep sending out traffic, keeps making good emails. But like I said, I would recommend just copying and pasting those free email swipes that come with the vendor. And if you guys go back and watch my previous videos in the beginning, I show you in detail on how to go grab an offer, okay, from ClickBank, and then bring it over here to the mailing system and then paste it over and then click send. And it's super easy to do. So go back and watch those videos if you guys have any issues. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. As you guys know, I like sending out my emails at night. Okay. Anytime before midnight is when I like coming in and sending out my emails. I sent out my emails last night. Let's go in and check the results from the last 30 days. Today is the 24th, as you can see, of October, 24th down here. Let you know we're on real time. This is not some kind of fake screenshot or anything like that. Just wanted to show you guys. I like doing the last 30 days so you can kind of see the algorithm. And this has been the algorithm, guys, from ClickBank. Okay. I made this ClickBank account in the beginning of the series just to show you guys that this stuff does work. I do have multiple ClickBank accounts, but I only use this one just for my lead gen secret traffic alone. That way you guys can know if you guys were to go out and do this method, what to expect. Okay. We have made it to month number 6. Today is 180 of that. So that's 6 months. So we finally made it halfway through this thing. Okay. So we're still pushing along here. We got just another 6 months to go for this challenge before we, move on to something else. But I just wanted to stick with one offer or offers to kind of show you guys what it looks like just promoting one offer, okay, from ClickBank. And what it would look like. Okay. So these are the last 30 days. The algorithm has just kind of been a little bit up and down. Okay. It's been pretty consistent. Okay. I haven't seen anything over 2 days without a sale. Other than that, we've been getting sales pretty much back to back. Now, right here, the algorithm has changed right here because we got a sale right here. We missed a day, but then we got 4 sales in a row back to back. Okay, we missed a day, and then we got another 4 sales back to back. Okay, we missed 2 days. They're back to back. You missed a day, back to back, missed a day, back to back, 2 days, back to back, missed a day, back to back, and then now we missed another 2 days. Okay, so the algorithm has been up and down, and that could just be because of the traffic and things like that. You know, it could be just the timing and things like that of people coming in to check their email. So this next 6 months, I'm gonna be watching this closely on the algorithm to see how we're doing. Usually, if it's sometimes if it slows down, we may have to change up our titles, our titles and things like that, and maybe some of the words in some of the emails. Okay, but for right now, we're just using a certain set of emails over and over and over, and we're just going to keep using those over and over and over again. Okay, because those same emails is what's been producing these results. Okay. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every single week. Okay, every Friday, they have send out paychecks. Okay, either sending them out paychecks or direct deposit. Me, I got direct deposit, so I do get paid every single Friday, which I got paid today from ClickBank, which is pretty cool. So I just wanted to show you guys that you will get paid from ClickBank, and they pay every week. So if you're someone that's looking for extra income, maybe to help pay a light bill, maybe pay a gas bill, put gas in the car, food on the table, whatever, help with the car payment, whatever you need help with. Okay. This is going to be the extra money that you're going to be able to make. Okay. Now, starting out, you're not going to, make all this money. This is not some get rich quick scheme. You're not going to be able to send out an email, make thousands of dollars next week, guys. It just doesn't work that way. This is a real business with real results. Okay. If you put in the work and you put in the time, you send out those emails every single day, you will see results and you will see progress. Okay. I've been getting paid from ClickBank for basically the beginning of this challenge. Okay. Just from being consistent and sending out emails every single week. Okay. I mean, every single day. And then I'm getting paid every single week. Okay. Which is pretty good. So, if you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So literally you can come down here to the More tab and just click on this link, MLGS True Freedom. Click on that link, guys. It's going to take you to the landing page of the My Legion Secret system. You go down here, look at some of these testimonials. Okay, these are some people that are, just promoting My Legion Secret. They have people that are promoting other offers and other networks. Like I was telling you guys before, here's Warrior Plus, someone promoting that and getting paid. But there's just a lot of people making money with this method, guys. I'm not the only one earning income here. Okay, there's other people doing it. Okay, and if I'm doing it, they're doing it, you can do it as well. Okay, it just takes the time of you getting started and setting up your account. So click on right here, guys. Click on Join MLGS now. Pay your $60. It's $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. I don't even have to go into that. I've been doing this over a few years, guys. I tell you that it does work, and you will get paid if you do exactly what I'm showing you in this video. If you guys happen to sign up today, comment below. Let me know. Let me know what email that you signed up so I can search for it. And then I do have some bonus emails for you guys to send out to you so you can hit the ground running. All right. So get started today, guys. No excuses. Okay. If you're looking for that extra income, if you got enough money, hey, you can skip this video. This video may not be for you, but if you're someone out there that's just looking to make money online, and you have a little bit of money to spend, this is going to be worth the investment for you. Okay. It doesn't help me, but it helps you build a sustainable business. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys today how to do stuff, how to send out an email in the mailing system. Also show you the results, okay? Show you the sales. These are real sales, guys. Like I said, there's no screenshot or anything like that. This is real time. And then also, if you guys please subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay, there's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming to this True Freedom Income channel. Just nothing but value and just ways to earn income online that I've been doing. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and we'll chat and we'll go over results for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.